Hello guys, it's been a long time I've made a video, so I'm back again. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Galaxy Gear. Been waiting for a week to come. Gear S3, sorry, the new one. Oh shit. So yeah, let's get into this. Sorry, it's one-handed using the S7 Edge to record it. Just bear with me for a sec. So yeah, this is the box contents. As I said, I bought it. Shout out to the insiders. Make sure you give them a follow. They're really good. I got this for 175 only. They do everything. So here it is, guys. So yeah, I got the classic one. Beautiful, just beautiful. Okay, what's else? This is just some shipping confirmation. This is just your welcoming pack. So as I said, I was a lucky 300 to be chosen. They're legit. Not anything else in the box. Nothing else in the box, guys, as you can see. Okay, so let's get into this bad boy device. So yeah, here's all the basics. Built-in speaker, standalone GPS, full color, always on watch face, IP68 as well, so brilliant. 22mm standard watch band, compatible long-lasting battery. So yeah, it's very good, very good. So let's get into it. I'll show you that part. It's really hard to open it with one hand, but hey ho, let's do this. So yeah, as you can see, it's a very nice box. So let's get this done. Just bear with me for a second, guys. Again. So yeah, finally managed to take the box off. So yeah, ooh, damn, what a beautiful watch, eh? So you get the watch itself presented with the charging dock. Wow. Saw the reviews and stuff, but damn, it's proper nice, like, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. So you can see they've got the speaker back for this one. So what's else? Okay, this is a charging jack. Apparently, I don't know what it is. Really nice, really nice. So I did have the Moto 360 before, and that did me well, but it was time to change. So what else is in the box? So you get an extra long, sorry, extra small band, so for the small wrists. What else is in there? This is charger. Let's open this up. So charger, this is standard micro USB charger. Nothing special. What else is in there? That's it. That's just a quick start guide. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I'm sorry I haven't uploaded in like near enough 3 years, but if you want more stuff on this watch, please let me know in the comments. Thank you and subscribe. Bye.